You win this round, humans, but I have a feeling the machines will be back for more. Now, while some drones are built for speed, others are built to reduce, reuse and recycle.
Unmanned aerial vehicles like these are mostly made from tough plastic, so they're light enough to fly and strong enough to handle rough landings. But could all these plastic UAVs be more environmentally friendly? Hi, I'm Akif, an engineering student at the Queensland University of Technology. I've created a world's first, a 3D printed UAV made from recycled plastic bottles. Plastic bottles can be recycled for lots of uses. One of these is 3D printing. By shredding the bottles into small pieces, the plastic can be melted and turned into long filament used for 3D printing. So, the whole body and arms of my UAV can be printed from this lightweight recycled plastic. But I wanted to build a UAV that could be taken anywhere. So, I made my design even more portable. To do this, I designed my UAV's arms to completely fold away. This will make it easy to carry and protect the motors during transport. To streamline my design, I left off the landing gear and angled the front end to reduce drag. My folding design is ready to bring to life. Now it gets sent to a 3D printer. The printer heats up the plastic, then builds the UAV's body and arms, one thin layer at a time. It takes about 6 hours to print my UAV and uses just 300 grams of recycled plastic. Done. Plastic bottles recycled into a tough, lightweight UAV body. It's time to add hardware and get flying. This includes an onboard flight controller, a rechargeable battery pack, and 4 lightweight motors. To power the motors, I've used flexible wiring that runs inside the arms, so it isn't damaged when the arms are folded and unfolded. The last step is to add the propellers and these locking pins to keep the folding arms in place during flight. Now, we have a fully built, recycled and foldable UAV. So let's go fly it. My UAV flies just like a standard one. A handheld transmitter sends the commands to the onboard flight controller. It can even be programmed for collision avoidance and autonomous flights. And lithium batteries can keep the UAV flying for around 20 minutes. When we land a UAV, it's easy to unscrew the propellers, fold it back up and take it for transport. So maybe in the future, we'll have a lot more UAVs that go from this to this.